Imagine standing alone in a forest millions of years ago. The wind is silent. The trees are still. Then something appears between the shadows. It isn't the fastest predator. It isn't the strongest. It doesn't have the sharpest teeth. Yet every animal that sees it becomes nervous. Because this creature is different. It watches. It plans. It remembers. That creature is us. Long before cities, roads, and technology existed, animals were already learning a dangerous lesson. Humans were unlike anything nature had ever created. Most predators hunt only when they're hungry. A lion rests after a successful kill. A wolf stops chasing when the risk becomes too great. But humans were different. We could track prey for hours, sometimes even days. Our ancestors followed animals until exhaustion finally defeated them. Scientists call this persistence hunting. To many animals, escaping a human wasn't just difficult. It was nearly impossible. Generation after generation, animals that avoided humans survived. Those that didn't often disappeared. Slowly, nature began teaching a simple rule. When humans appear, leave immediately. Thousands of years have passed. Yet the warning remains. A deer instantly runs when it notices a person. Birds suddenly become silent when humans approach. Even massive animals like elephants become cautious around people. What's fascinating is that many of these animals have never personally been harmed by a human. So why are they afraid? Because evolution remembers. The survivors pass their caution to the next generation. Over time, fear became part of the survival toolkit, a silent message carried through countless lifetimes. Stay away from humans. But here's where the story becomes strange. Humans are also the species most likely to help animals. We rescue injured birds, save whales trapped in fishing nets, protect endangered species, and build wildlife sanctuaries. To animals, this creates a confusing contradiction. The same creature capable of destruction is also capable of compassion. The same hands that once hunted can now heal. Yet instincts don't understand good intentions. They only understand risk. Sometimes animals do learn to trust us. There are stories of dolphins approaching divers for help, elephants remembering people who rescued them, and wild animals returning to humans who once saved their lives. But trust is rare, because from an animal's perspective, caution is safer than hope. One mistake can be fatal. One escape can mean survival. Nature knows this, and nature never forgets. So why did nature warn animals about us? Because for most of history, humans represented uncertainty. And in the wild, uncertainty is dangerous. The fear animals feel isn't hatred. It isn't misunderstanding. It's the result of millions of years of survival. A lesson written deep into their instincts. A lesson whispered from one generation to the next. If you see a human, be careful.